Do you want to invest in global stock market or global equity sa tinatawag? So let me share to you guys the Rumber Online's one of the longest, one of the top mutual fund brokerage companies in the Philippines. It's legal, it's under SEC, so don't worry guys. And again, if you want to invest in global equities, and let me share to you their recommended funds, which I will invest as well this week, or as long as na ma-share ko sa inyo guys, mag-i-invest rin ako dito. So ito, first one is yan. So ito yung Sun Life Prosperity World Equity Index Feeder Fund. So it's a mutual fund na where you invest in it, as low as 1,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos, you can already start investing in this mutual fund, which already invested on the equity, world equity. So ibig sabihin, you will have a kumbaga dibs on this equities globally. So currently, year-to-date return is 15.45 as of July 31, 2024. So sobrang taas yan guys. Again, disclaimer lang, it doesn't past performance does not guarantee future returns. So again, always do your risk assessment, check yung maigi. There's no guarantee in this investing in the stock market. And again, but of course, we want more somehow calculated risk or intelligent investing knowledge para at least we could grow our money, especially for long-term objectives and financial goals like educational funds, yung mga dream house natin, etc., yung retirement fund natin. We should invest as far as I'm concerned, I'm investing in this equities. So ito nga another option for us for pag-participate tayo globally. You could invest in this mutual fund under Rumber Online. Okay, the second recommended fund nila is itong Phil Equity Dividend Yield Fund. So again, ang mutual fund na to is under Phil Equity, one of the top mutual funds here in the Philippines, and ang concentration nito, ang laman ng mga stocks nito is more on dividend yield ng mga stocks. So sobrang taas din yan, almost 11% or 10.83% as of July 31. So guys, if you're looking for a higher return of your yield, so alam naman natin, medyo of course if you're selecting individual stocks, medyo mahirap ma-beat yung mga ganyang returns. But again, if you do your own technical analysis, etc., if you do trading, and if you do your own analysis, okay naman yan. Pero again, kung meron kang ibang ginagawa, or focus ka sa work mo, sa business mo, you could grow your money through mutual funds. So that's one way of you building your wealth, writing these investment vehicles, one of which nga is itong mutual fund. So you have many options. So ito mag-invest ako this month, and try nyo rin guys. And of course, if ever you want to try investing through Rumber Online, here is my QR code. So yan guys, so start investing in the stock market, and again, Philippine equity, global equities, through mutual funds as low as 1,000 pesos. So just go to that link, bit.ly/rumberonlineph. So that's my personalized link, so that we could track na I'm the one of your financial advisors, and you can just scan this QR code, and make sure pag dun sa financial advisor, just put my name, Loran Janicio, matatrack na nila yan. At the same time guys, for those who will use my link then, para mas mabigyan ko pa kayo ng guidance, kasi of course di lang natin gusto na mag-invest lang kayo bigla. Of course, importante magkaroon kayo ng very solid financial foundation, di ba? And if you have more questions, you can ask me here as well, sa Facebook, sa TikTok, Loran Janicio, sa YouTube, andun din tayo. And again, here are the ebooks na ibibigay ko sa inyo. So yan guys, so ebooks, basic financial plan, and of course Wise Pinoy, para if you want to save more and walang utang, or mabawasan yung utang mo, you can check that ebook as well sa top. And of course cryptocurrency, I also invest, alam niyo naman na if you follow my page, I also invest in cryptocurrency, stock market, direct stocks, real estate, and other investment vehicles. So ayun guys, thank you so much. So make sure to use my QR code. Yan guys, scan nyo lang yan, and or you can message me for the link, no, para at least no mas tama, no. And again, you can avail the free ebooks. Just message me na Luran, Sir Luran already open a Ramper account and already invested, no. So you can just show that screenshot and I will give you the free ebooks, guys. So thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, just message me and more details soon, no, about this mutual fund. So ngayon pa lang din ako magi-start through Ramper Online. So though I'm investing for years na rin sa mutual funds, no, pero nakita ko maganda yung platform nila and maraming options and marami kayong matutunan inside, no. So I want to try them. So yeah, that's why I'm sharing to you guys now. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye bye.